This is a 1965 Ford Mustang factory GT. This has a 289 with a 4-barrel. This is 4-speed. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about our radiator and heating problem. Okay, these Mustangs are notorious for running hot, overheating. I thought I had the problem solved because I put a shroud on here. I put a fan, a 5-blade fan on, and I had a new radiator, but the radiator was a 3-core radiator, I mean 3 tubes coming down, and it worked very good. As long as it wasn't over like 85 degrees. So I got brave, and it was like 95, and I said, let me just take a ride and see what's going on. Well, I start taking it for a ride. Next thing you know, the car is starting to run hot. Well, above half temp, well, half on the gauge, and it's normally supposed to run about 1/4. Okay, so I said, well, I think it'll be okay. Well, I said, well, I better head home. So I head home, and what happened is I got here, and next thing you know, when I shut the car off in the driveway, it started hissing and everything else. So it's still not 100% right. So I was in the process of taking it to Mustang Fever in San Jose, talk to this guy, because he fixes them all the time. So I took it out for another drive. I put Presto back in there and everything else. I said, maybe that was just a freak. Well, when I was driving, it overheated, and the fluid, well, the Presto got on the wires, and it just killed the car. So I put it all over to the side, lifted up the hood, wait till it cooled down, and then it started again. But I opened the cap because I was going to put more fluid in here, and I didn't see any flow coming across. So what I suspect is something happened to the thermostat where it closed or froze closed and wouldn't open. I don't know 100% for sure. But anyway, so then I changed my whole attack. I said, forget, we need more air. So what I did is I bought myself one of these aluminum radiators, and they got two tubes, but they're a lot wider. So this radiator is probably another half an inch, well, not really half inch. Well, let me measure it and I'll know. So if I just measure it over here, it says almost 3 inches. Now, if I look at the radiator that I took out, it says 2 inches. And even though it has 3 sets of tubes going down there, this one here is a total aluminum, which means it gets rid of the heat faster than the copper ones, and it's almost an inch wider, so that means you got an inch more fluid in here, Presto, to keep it cool. Also, I went to this flexible fan here, but this is a 5-blade fan. So between the both of those, you know, the aluminum radiator, see, it looks pretty much like the original radiator, but it's just wider. So it's got more antifreeze in there. So after putting on a newer type fan, well, a 6-blade flexible fan, aluminum radiator. Of course, I painted it black so it looks the same. And I also put a, it's like a filter between the hose. So in case you get leftover junk from the motor floating around, it stops right here and it doesn't go in and clog your radiator. So now that I changed the fan out, put a new radiator, aluminum radiator that was wider, I was able to take it out. It was like 95 degrees. I said, I'm going to take it out when it's hot. And I drove it in the city, I drove it on the freeway, I took a ride up in the Los Altos Hills mountains, where you have to go up these hills and come down and whatever. So really worked the car, and surprisingly, it stayed in a normal position the entire time. So what I'm advising people to do is forget sticking with the factory radiator. Go out and get yourself an aluminum radiator that's wider. It fits right in here. It looks pretty much like a stock radiator. Get yourself a shroud, and I would recommend not getting one of these metal ones, but getting a plastic one that covers everything, and get a 6-blade fan. And that way, with the shroud, it sucks more air. The fan sucks more air through the radiator. The radiator has more capability for more press-down, so that will keep your Mustang cool. Now let me show you a picture of the package. Okay, here's the box with the radiator. It says ACP radiator aluminum, max core, and it says on the side it says aluminum 2-row performance, APC. And here it is sitting in the car, and that seems to have done the trick. So even though I had all these other problems with changing the thermostat back to 185, and I had to replace the water pump because that was bad. But with the fan and the shroud and the radiator, I guess I was just fighting a useless battle. So that's what I would recommend, so your Mustang doesn't have any problems.